Hey there, fellow cat lovers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most common challenges every cat owner faces: getting your cat to come to you. Whether you want to cuddle, feed, or just check on your furry friend, knowing how to effectively call your cat is a game changer. Let's dive right in. First, it's important to understand that cats are independent creatures with unique personalities. Some cats may come to you instantly, while others might take their sweet time. Knowing your cat's behavior and preferences is the key to success. Step 1. Use positive reinforcement. Cats respond well to rewards. Find a treat your cat loves and use it to your advantage. Call your cat's name, and when they come to you, give them a treat and lots of praise. Repeat this consistently, and your cat will associate coming to you with something positive. Step 2. Create a routine. Cats thrive on routine and predictability. Try calling your cat at the same time every day, perhaps before feeding time or playtime. This way, your cat will learn to expect something good when you call them. Step 3. Use a distinct sound. In addition to calling their name, use a specific sound like a whistle, a clicker, or even the crinkling of a treat bag. Cats are great at recognizing sounds that lead to positive outcomes. Stick to one sound so your cat knows what to expect. Step 4. Be patient and gentle. Some cats are more timid or independent than others. If your cat doesn't come to you right away, don't get frustrated. Keep your tone gentle and encouraging, and give your cat time to respond. Patience is key. Step 5. Make yourself appealing. Sit on the floor and make yourself approachable. Use toys or other items your cat finds interesting. Cats are naturally curious, and they might come to you to investigate the fun you're having. If your cat still doesn't come when called, consider these tips. Make sure your cat is comfortable and not stressed. Ensure they aren't distracted by something more interesting. Try different treats or toys to see what they prefer. Check if your cat is feeling well, as health issues can affect their behavior. With a bit of patience and consistency, you'll soon find your cat coming to you more often. Remember, every cat is different, so don't be discouraged if it takes some time. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more cat tips, and share your own experiences in the comments below. See you next time, and happy cat calling!